comment, like, and subscribe. All right, so now what we have to do, we got to fix the truck, the black truck. My wife and daughter were out doing some shopping. She says the back won't open, the back won't open. So I got this Leer cover, turn the handle, supposed to unlock both sides. One side it unlocks, this side it doesn't, so something here is messed up. So I was just going to show you real quick. The best way to fix this is you get the side open that will open, push up as far as you can, and then open the tailgate. Let's see if I can do that. All right, so I got it, but not the way you think. So what I had to do was come over here, take some 2x4s, prise this up. Let me just open it up for you to show you again. Prise that up like that, wedge some 2x4s under it so I can get my hand right in here at the latch and feel. And what I found was, if I can get a light here, see, the cable's broke right there. It's not attached to the handle. This one is, that one's not. So what I did was I basically had it prised open, took these needle nose pliers, reached in like this, pulled it toward me, and it popped the latch loose. Let me just demonstrate that for you here. Grab it here, pull it, and there it goes. So the tailgate wouldn't come down because the lip here was too close and wouldn't let it open. So that trick didn't work, but that trick does. I was just lucky enough to have a little bit there to grab onto it. So what I need to do now is order that new slide cable. I just ordered one for both sides so I can put new ones on it. And for now, I'm just gonna take this off so it can't latch anymore. So now that's off, and when I lower this down, it'll still latch on this side, but not on the other side. So that's a nice temporary fix for the wife till I can get the right parts to fix it properly. But that's a quick and easy how to fix and get into your truck bed if you have a cover like a Leer cover that comes over and you can't open the tailgate. All right, so show you the repair. I got these cheap cables off of Amazon for like, I don't know, 15 bucks. And it was two of them, look like this on one end and like this on the other. And what you do is you pull out the old cable, which was what was left of it here, and you feed it in right here on the latch if you can. So basically you feed it in right here where the latch turns. You feed in this safety handle, so if you pull it, it'll actually open up if you're stuck on the inside. You put it through here, this hole, and then this is where it came out like a little sleeve. You feed it in, it comes out here. And now what I have to do is loosen this little Allen screw here, take this broken cable out, put this in with tension, and then be good to go. And because they're the same age, I figured I'd go ahead and change this one too while I'm here. So that's why I got two cables, and then we shouldn't have to worry about that for at least another 15 years, because that's how long I've had this topper on this thing. And then we'll close this. There you go. And we'll turn it. Perfect. So now it's rejuvenated, good to go. And I already had put new shocks on here a couple months ago. The only thing I don't have is my rubber liner, came out years ago, so that's why you see a lot of dust in here.